Hi friends, I'm back. Today I have my gel hand sanitizer DIY. 3 ingredients, it's super easy, and here it goes. Okay, so number 1 cup of 91% or stronger isopropyl alcohol. So I've already put that in here. Then a half a cup of aloe vera gel. You just put that right in there. You put that gel right in there. Half a cup. Then about 15 drops of tea tree oil. Now they do say you can use eucalyptus oil, but it has to be the the pure oil. This is tea tree, and you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go, 15 drops of that. And it's expensive, but you could use this for other things too. This is like great for your hair and like your scalp, and anyways, and then all you do, get a whisk, because it really needs to emulsify, and just stir it all really, really well with a whisk. It's not gonna work with a spoon. You're gonna have to get a whisk. Let me just show you. But look at that, it's really thickening up. Look at that. See how it's really thick? That's why you use the gel. And then all you do, look at that, it's already, look at that. It's already completely thickened up. Yeah, love that. Then all you do, make sure, I got one of these little containers from the drugstore. Make sure you label it hand sanitizer. I don't want anyone to think it's candy or something with that bright green color. And then you just pour it right in here, just like this. Make sure you have a funnel, and it's kind of thick, so you gotta kind of be careful that you don't overload it. See, it's about ready to get thick. It's about ready to go. I don't want to overflow it, so I'm just gonna put it back in here. Put the lid on it, just like this. And look at that. Your own, very own gel hand sanitizer. And during these times, let me tell you what, you're gonna be glad you had this. So 3 ingredients, go get it, go do it. It's so easy, and it actually even smells kind of good. Be safe, wash your hands. This does not replace washing your hands, but this is something you can take in your car. The minute you pick up the kids from school, squirt everyone's hands with it, because they didn't wash their hands half the time. So if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I have lots more to come, and thank you for watching. Love you guys, bye.